Sammy, that went bad. Okay, so here we're looking at what we're going to do for firewood as well as trails. So we've got this trail that goes out and along and meets up with our main trail. We just typically use it to bring back ATVs and stuff for storage, or as you can see where we store the snow machines. We're thinking about cutting a place or a path that goes down this way so we can get to our valley. And also I need to think about winter firewood because I'm a little behind on that right now thanks to my foot. So I also have to kind of look at what trees we're going to take, so I don't want to take too many.
We're going to be taking all of these trees and that birch there for firewood and clearing a path to drive the ATV through here. She is hiding on her nest.
Wow, did you zoom in?
Yeah, I zoomed in right now.
That is crazy. I didn't even see it.
I just turned her out and she's right there.
So this is an area that badly came down. So we gotta clear out all this dead stuff, and that'll be the path up there. Is what goes in between the valley, because there's the beginning of Argo Rock. Okay, so these things here I hate. They're these speckled alder. They take up huge chunks of space and they offer very little. I'm gonna be removing this one for sure.
This here is one of the many entrances to the valley. There's the hill where we're gonna be building upon. And up there we have a stool so we can look out over the valley. This is a little ways up the hill. We're gonna clear all this out for firewood. There's a bunch of dead trees already. Like this one here. We chopped them up for firewood and get this area cleaned up to be.
Over there is the valley. It'll be a campsite once we're done clearing. So up here, this ridge there is the top of the bowl. So we plan on building this even higher up, but it's a nice little area.